Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we are going to do the feedback for the previous lesson. If you're here for the first time, I recommend watching the earlier video where we talked about American Samoa. Now, let's test what you've learned. Is American Samoa located in the Caribbean? No, American Samoa is located in the South Pacific. Are people born in American Samoa U.S. citizens by birth? No, they are U.S. nationals, not citizens. Can American Samoans apply for U.S. citizenship? Yes, they can apply for naturalized citizenship. Is Pago Pago the capital of American Samoa? Yes, Pago Pago is the capital and main port. Does American Samoa have a U.S. national park? Yes, it has the National Park of American Samoa. Can American Samoans vote in U.S. presidential elections? No, they cannot vote in presidential elections. Do American Samoans serve in the U.S. military? Yes, they serve at very high rates. Is Fa'a Samoa an important cultural tradition there? Yes, Fa'a Samoa means the Samoan way and guides their daily life. Is tuna fishing important to the local economy? Yes, tuna fishing and canning are major economic activities. Is American Samoa part of the 50 U.S. states? No, it's an unincorporated territory, not a state. Watch this feedback video several times to strengthen what you've learned. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our wonderful series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.